Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert an image or picture on your Microsoft Excel on the web on your computer or PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a picture on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show. So first of all, you just click on the insert option on the top. So then click on the picture option and you will see option of two options, place in cell or place over cell. You just want to choose the place over the cell. So then you just click, you have a three option from your device or from the web or from the stock image. I just going to choose image from my computer device. So after choosing the image, it automatically updates on here. So you can just move it by clicking on it, and you can resize this image vertically or horizontally. You can expand this image like this. If you just need to rotate, you can use this rotate option on the top to rotate on a different 90 degree or 180 degree like an angle. And right click here, you will see option to bring front or forward. If you're having a text here, or if you're having another shapes or image here, you can have the other options like cut, copy. So this is how you just insert an image on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.